Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So in order to do this, you have to firstly access Recent section. To access Recent section, you have two different ways depending on which navigation method you have. Like if you have 3 buttons navigation, you just have Recent button on the right or on the left side depending on your settings. But if you have gesture navigation as me, to access Recent section you have to perform a very simple gesture. You just swipe your finger up and hold it for, I don't know, for about a second, and after that you will access Recent section. So let me show you. Just like this. Here you can see all of my opened apps, which I probably don't use right now. So to close them all at once, just tap close all button here, and all of these apps will be closed and your memory will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.